Okay, I'm back, and now for our final segment of lesson number 10, we're going to do our lesson quiz. So question number 1, what element is the most abundant in the crust of the earth? Okay, do you remember? It would be silicon. So silicon, and then followed by oxygen. Rocks are composed of what? Minerals, and minerals are composed of elements, atoms. Number 3, organize the following layers of the earth from the surface to the center. So what would be on the surface? Okay, that is going to be the lithosphere, C. Okay, then underneath the lithosphere is the asthenosphere. And then underneath the asthenosphere is going to be the mesosphere or mantle. And then underneath that is going to be the outer core. And then underneath that's going to be the inner core. Which part of the earth convex, causing plate tectonics? So as far as I'm concerned, you could say mantle, but technically it's the mesosphere. So the mesosphere and the mantle, they're almost equivalent to each other. If you ask that to a geologist, they would be very upset that I say mantle. But we're just going to say mantle, convex, and then that's what's causing plate tectonics. What features are created at a divergent zone? Okay, so that's where the plates are being pulled apart. So that's where new ocean floor is going to form. What material inside the earth that causes magnetism? Okay, it's going to be iron and nickel. Iron and nickel moving around and around is producing the earth's magnetic field. Name a force which shapes the surface of a planet. So we talked about impacts, we talked about ice, we talked about winds, we talked about volcanoes, we talked about mountains. So all of these would be different things that are going to shape the surface of a planet. Now, why is this important? Because we may not be able to land on a planet, but if we could look at the surface of the planet, we can make generalizations about what's going on. Okay, so that is this lesson, and in our next lesson, we're going to start talking about the terrestrial planets. So we're going to talk about the Moon, Mercury, Venus, and Mars. So I'll see you then. Bye.